So hello students, we are going to start with a new topic for today. It's the types of arthritis. So that's the important topic. So what is the topic? Types of arth arthritis. Ritis. So the topic is types of arthritis. So you may be noticing that which are the types of arthritis and what is arthritis. So arthritis is the inflammation, is the inflammation of joints. So this is the inflammation of joints. So arthritis is the inflammation of joints. So now there are three types of arthritis which we will be studying. So these are, start from here, it's a short one, gouty arthritis, and if we this side it's the osteoarthritis. Yes, it's good. Then on this side, it's the rheumatoid arthritis. So first we will start with the gouty arthritis. So if I come on this side, so gouty arthritis, what is this? That is, it's the accumulation of uric acid. So in the excretion chapter we have studied that ammonia is converted, that the ammonia is converted into urea, and urea itself converted into uric acid. So the accumulation of uric acid in the joints. So leads to the gouty arthritis. So it's a common type of arthritis which is seen in all types of age groups. And if I talk about these two types of arthritis, these are not very known to you, but you have to study them. So first I will talk with the osteoarthritis. So osteo means of bones. Osteo means of bones. Okay, bone. So what is about this? So if I draw, if this is a bone, this is the part of it. This is joint. Between them is the joint. So you know that here which I have shaded, it's the articular cartilage, right? These are the articular cartilage. So now what happens, here is the synovial. I have made the joint I have made it here. So you know that this is the synovial membrane, and inside there is the synovial fluid. So hope you are recalling that synovial fluid is a non-circulating fluid, and blood and lymph are the circulating fluid. Synovial fluid and the vitreous humor, vitreous fluid वगैरह, that are non-circulating fluids. So synovial fluid. So osteoarthritis occurs, it's what I will write over here, it is age related means old age people are more prone to this type of arthritis, because the synovial fluid decreases and the articular cartilage also reduces. So if the cartilage now it's a pliable part and it's flexible, so now the cartilage is reducing. So the flexibility between the joints is it's reducing, and the friction which is controlled by synovial fluid. Now the synovial fluid is also reduced, so the friction is also increasing, so that you will hear a type of cracking type of sound when you will see that they are getting up, or so you can hear the cracking sounds because of the friction. So osteoarthritis, I hope it is clear to you. Now the rheumatoid arthritis, so it is an autoimmune disorder. So it is an autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune means that the body itself produces the cells which are behaving in a reverse manner, and they are harming the body. So like this rheumatoid arthritis and myasthenia gravis, which we have studied, these are the autoimmune disorders. Now what they release, the cells release IgM in a high quantity. IgM is released in a high quantity. So what happens now? The articular cartilage, which is between the joints, articular cartilage, it reduces. It is reducing and changing into fibers, the action of cartilage is replaced by the fibers, so that will cause a pain in the joints. And then what will happen, that the synovial fluid will increase. Synovial fluid will increase. So if the synovial fluid is increasing, that is the friction. It is like frictionless. It is making itself. So if there is no friction, so the bone, this bone and this bone will slip on each other, which may result in the cracking of it. So these are the three types of arthritis. So I will revise for you. So what is arthritis? It is inflammation of joints. So first type of arthritis was the gouty arthritis, which is due to the accumulation of uric acids in the joints, and this was the revision that ammonia is converted into uric acid, and this takes place in the liver. And then we saw about osteoarthritis, which is an age-related arthritis in which the articular cartilage reduces and the synovial fluid is also reduces, which produces a cracking sound from the joints. And then we studied about rheumatoid arthritis, which is an autoimmune disorder, and in this IgM is increased, and due to increased IgM, what happens? Articular cartilage decreases and changes to the fibers, and the synovial fluid is increased. I hope you enjoyed the video of about the types of arthritis. So keep learning.